MudShark can take advantage of geotech borehole data to create estimations of the ground composition on your site. Useful for risk management and cost estimating. Geotech and soil reports present their data in various different ways, depending on their process used. For this example, we'll use a simple set of data already optimized for MudShark. This means it's sorted in order by material from top to bottom and with thickness values instead of depth. For example, if clay was found at a depth of 1 meter all the way to 3 meters, the thickness of clay would be 2 meters. Navigate to the Boring Log tab located above the main window. Before creating any individual bore points, we need to populate the master list on the left-hand side. Here we place all of our materials in the order they are found throughout the site. Please avoid using existing fill in your master list, as the material is reserved for MudShark calculations. With that finished, we can now fill in each bore point individually. Name the bore point appropriately, then go through the material list and enter each thickness. After creating all of the bore points, we now need to place them onto our site. Navigate back to the viewport and make sure you've activated the existing site stage for input. Click the boring button from the ribbon. Now simply left-click on your site where a bore point is located. This will bring up the boring point dialog. Use the drop-down to select the appropriate bore point for this location. By default, the altitude entry will be empty. Leaving it blank will calculate the altitude based off the site surface for you. Repeat this process until all points have been placed. Now, after calculating, you'll notice the materials have been placed throughout your site. These new layers, in combination with the 3D viewport, can help you locate areas of concern, especially when dealing with contaminated soil or tough materials like granite.